Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Saib Lama here. Today especially making of Asian green soup. So we're gonna start how to make Asian green soup. It's very nice, healthy. So first take for one celery leaf. Take one by one leaf. It's nicely take nice green leaf. Take one by one. Take one poles and nice one clean. This they're going to offset, then we're going to blanch, nicely blanch, then stand and paste for mixie. Take a little bit of water, add the mixie and nice fine paste. Put one bowl, take one kadai and take for stoke paste with stoke water. Add for salt, sugar and white pepper. Nicely mix. The boiled after add for 5 type of vegetable, crunchy Asian vegetables. So little bit cook this vegetable, then add for Garnish starch. How much you want thick, this content you add for Garnish starch, and then add for this paste, celery leaf paste, puree wet, nicely coming green color, and finally add for fry garlic, little bit of oil, cooking oil, and little bit of sesame oil, and nicely mix and one time boil. This soup is ready, very healthy soup. Please try it at your home. And video nice means please subscribe, follow my channel. The healthy food I provide coming up soon video. Thank you so much.